being at school or the career that you choose, you really need to focus on. Luckily for me, I was able to find something in science and something in math that I had a passion for, and that allowed me to, really enjoy spending more time at those sorts of things. And so finding that passion and then pursuing it. I think if you go down the path of trying to look at what an astronaut does and just do those specific things, and you don't find something that you have a passion and enjoy, it'll be really tough to do a good job.
Flying an airplane, for example, if I push the stick forward, it's going to go down. I have to actually make a concerted effort to do that with a touchscreen, if that makes sense. So it's a little bit different way of doing it, but the design in general has worked out very well.
I think one thing to add is that the flying task is very unique. The docking task to come close to space station and fly in proximity and then slowly come into contact is maybe a little bit craft. And so when we evaluated the touch